It's everybody's favorite time of year. It is time to do the Subbox unboxing. This is December Archer and Olive Subbox. And I have to say this color palette is my absolute favorite of the year. I am so in love with this box. I hope you all love it. It's one of my favorites and I cannot wait to show you all the good stuff that's inside. So let's get started. First of all, I absolutely love the folk art designs. I think they're so pretty. The first thing we're gonna open is the stamp set. You all have been loving stamps and have been asking for so many stamps. These are so cool. I've created so many different patterns with these. I'm gonna have to do some tutorials because I think these are absolutely amazing. Here's our little info card and I'm gonna put that to the side so I don't spoil anything before the video does. I love this packaging. This is one of the patterns you can create with the stamps. I think it's just absolutely beautiful. So next in the box we have, this is a cool new item. This is so beautiful. I've been using this in my notebook. It is an embroidered bookmark. The detail on that is so perfect. Look at that. The pins we have in this collection, and again, look at those colors. I'm obsessed with those colors. And it's a very good thing because those are the same colors of the acrylic wrap pins. These are so super cute. These are stickers. And there's a ton of them, but these are actually vegan leather and they're embossed. And I think these are absolutely beautiful. I've been creating with these on some of my pages and it's just a really cool way to add dimension. Look how pretty these are. Look at this one. The next item is also a new item and it's something we really wanted to bring to you all for a while. And it is a paper punch, an edge corner punch. So what you can do is you can create this little design and you put a piece of paper in there and it punches out a cute little pattern on all the corners of your pages. I remember doing this when I was into scrapbooking and I had so much fun with it. I'm really excited to have this in December's Subbox. We also have some washi tape. This was in the reveal, and I think this was something a lot of people were really excited about because look how beautiful this is. Look at the, first of all, this is like my favorite pattern of the year, I think that we've done so far. And then these little houses. That is so cute. I cannot wait to use these. And of course we have kind of the knitted pattern and the little hearts. Another cool thing, of course we had to do it because we've got the stamps, but this is an entire set of inks. Look how fun this is. So you can pick from one of the many different colors of ink and your stamps, and you can create some really beautiful patterns. I absolutely love these inks. You can also use them to kind of decorate the corner of your notebook. I think these are so cool. Okay, and everybody's favorite thing, what we are all most excited to see, and that is of course the two notebooks in the subscription box. First of all, I love the packaging. I think I can't mention that enough, but look how cute. This is an 8x8 notebook. If I can get it out. Okay, look how cute this is. This is an 8x8 notebook and it looks just like a knitted pattern and it's like a cloth material. It's really beautiful. On the inside, the inner pages are adorable and this is a dot grid notebook. And then maybe one of my favorite notebooks of the entire year is in this box. I'm absolutely in love with this one. We tried a different technique and I think it's so gorgeous. Ta-da! Of course, we had to have that folk art pattern. I think it's so beautiful with the light blue foil and the red foil. And this notebook is also going to be a dot grid, and this is an A5 notebook. So I am so excited for all the items. I know they're kind of messy here on my desk. Usually I try to lay them out all neat. But I got too excited. I hope you all love December's Subbox. I cannot wait to see what you create, and I'm going to be showing you what I create later on in this month. Happy holidays, everyone.